Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Frame.io to Premiere Pro, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of Premiere Pro installed. Navigate to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. In the Extensions submenu, look for Frame.io. Click on Frame.io to open the panel. You may be prompted to log in to your Frame.io account. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once signed in, you will see your Frame.io projects listed in the panel. Select the project you want to connect to Premiere Pro. Click on the project to load its contents. To upload files, locate the Upload button in the Frame.io panel. You can drag and drop video files directly from your timeline into the Frame.io panel. Alternatively, click on Upload and browse your files. Once files are uploaded, you can view them in the Frame.io project panel. To add comments or markers, click on the specific section of the video. Type your comments in the input box provided. To sync comments and annotations back to Premiere Pro, click on the Sync button. You can also import Frame.io comments directly into your timeline. To do this, select the clip you want to annotate. Right-click on the clip and choose Add Frame.io comments. This will place the comments as markers on your timeline. To export your edited video to Frame.io, click on the Export button. Choose your desired export settings and click Export. Your video will now upload directly to your selected Frame.io project. Monitor the upload progress in the Frame.io panel. This completes the connection between Frame.io and Premiere Pro. Now you're ready to collaborate and streamline your video editing workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.